Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at how to transfer material from an image to a subject using an AI model. That's what we'll be looking at. So the idea is simple. You have to first pick the material image and you also have to pick the subject image. And once you are done, you have to write a description of what it is and click run. This will produce an image for you. I'll also show you another example where this has played out, and that's basically what we'll be covering in this demo. And I would not be physically executing it. I'll show you an example where this was executed because this generally takes a couple of minutes, but I'll walk you through the steps how this can be done. So this was the example one. This URL is provided to you to play with, so you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is I have logged in with my GitHub. It also allows you other login options. So you just have to log in to the URL, which I will provide in the link in the description, which you have to follow. So the idea here is simple. So there is the material image which I provided, and I selected the subject image. Since it's Memorial Day, I just picked the most popular one from the internet. I just picked this image and I just wrote soldier paying tributes to martyrs and clicked run. And when I clicked run, it roughly took about 3 to 4 minutes or 2 minutes depending on how busy or free the backend computation is, and it gave you the log, and this is the image it generated. And similarly, there is another example. So the idea is upload your material image to the material image section. This could be anything from a texture pattern or even a specific fabric. Next, upload the subject image to the subject section. This is the image you want to transform using the material you have just uploaded. Now write a brief description of the desired outcome as we have done here, which you are supposed to write. And this helps the AI understand what you are aiming for. For example, apply marble structure to a vase in the subject image, or in this case, a soldier paying tribute on the Martyrs Day, or anything, whatever you want, you can write it. Once everything is set, just click run, and now watch the AI model in Replicate do its magic in just a few seconds or a couple of minutes, depending on how the queuing or the compute resource availability. You will see a stunning transformation that looks incredibly realistic. So that's all I wanted to cover. With just a few clicks, you have transformed your image using Replicate's material transfer model. The possibilities is endless, and whether you are an artist or a designer or just love executing with AI, this is the this is a good hands-on for you to play with. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for Champion EdTech for more tech tutorials, and let me know if in the comments what transformations you will plan to do or any other upcoming video you want us to create. Thank you for watching.